I'm gonna be playing this Tornadoes 1 with many people packed here. Even my brother, Storm Reaver. When I'm a Storm Reaver, I meant twin. How much tiptoes are you? 1, 2. Hey, at least there's not that much. I think. Let's exit. Can you go in that? Storm Reaver. A photo. Free photo. They're wrong. It's raining more. Oh my God, it's raining so hard. My God. I have to talk loud because you won't hear me say anything. So I can be quiet. I'm just going to be quiet. I'm no longer going to be quiet. Oh my God, so loud. Heavy rain. Oh no. Well, holy boy crap. What the hell? Oh my God. Multiple tornadoes. What tornadoes would that be? I don't know. Like the weak one is making a baby. Wow. An EF4 just came out of nowhere. Where's my Storm Reaver? I'm deploying right here. The pink one? EF5? My God. This is crazy. I have to report it. Oh my God. I'm disarming it. Bam, the EF5 is coming towards us. We're gonna die. We're gonna die. No one will survive if it comes at us. We're gonna die. We're all gonna die. Where's the goddamn tornadoes? I'm already bored. Faster, tornado! I'm bored. I remember the first time I played this game. EF why. Nah, hell no, it's heading towards us. Titus, run! Titus, are you going to survive? Titus? Titus, are you alive? There comes the pink one. Or that's EF4 and pink. So why? My God. At least this is a side intercept. If it's a core intercept, I would be gone there. Can you please move out of the way? We're all dead. Titus? Titus! Are you with me? Titus? I think Titus is dead. It's coming! I might be the first one to die. Oh! What do you mean by no serious win? I'm with it! Help! I'm with it! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! I what happened? Stormy managed to survive. Wow, that was crazy. Where's my Storm Reaver? Storm Reaver, you're so holding a gun. What just happened? For you. You know what? I'm going to straight to the tornado with tornado soccer. The controls in this one feel different. Marilyn! We're gonna intercept this one. I gotta run. I think I should build Storm Reaver and Melon Sandbox. And also I just downloaded a mod. Where's the goddamn siren? I'm falling. Help! I'm falling down from the map. That was crazy. I thought that was the thing. I'm gonna lose Drupa. let's scan whatever it's called. Hello there. There's one black man. Well, so